Stree 2, a film which is already breaking all the records on the box office. Regarding the film, I must say that film is good, but I would like to question the marketing campaign and writing. Everything is good, but you are promoting the film in the name of horror comedy. When it's come to comedy, film is absolute perfect. But when it comes to horror, I doubt except some few scenes which offer some jump scare, and this is the main complaint regarding the film. And this is about whole cinematic universe of Stree, be it Stree 2, be it Bhedia, be it Munjaya. Every film follow the same pattern. They are not offering that intriguing horror experience. I must say that when it comes to horror, Stree 1 was the best film in this whole cinematic universe. Why do you think that Stree 1 was more horror than Stree 2? When you see the climax of Stree 2, it's not that scary anymore because you revealed your ghost. And to be honest, it's not looking even ghost, it's looking like a monster, a CGI monster, which is not bad. But when we see in climax that two CGI monsters, Stree and Sarkata, are fighting, it looks totally different than horror cinematic universe. It looks like a monster cinematic universe, and it's not even wrong. I am on for it. But when you are promoting your universe, your cinematic universe, as horror comedy, then I must ask, where is that horror element? Two CGI ghosts or monsters are fighting, whatever you say. It is not scary. It is epic, but it is not scary. And that's my main complaint. Either you should say that this is not an horror cinematic universe, and if you are calling it, then be it. But I will say that Stree 2 is a better film than Stree 1 because film increases the standards and expand itself and its world, assembling Bhedia and Stree together. Only Munjia was absent. Probably he's a child, so he was playing somewhere. And that's the only complaint from me regarding this cinematic universe, that they should add more horror element. Perhaps they can add more seriousness. I think what Stree made horror is the environment, not Stree itself. It was sound department and environment of Chanderi itself was horror that made Stree 1 so special. When it comes to music, no doubt, the songs and the background music of Stree 2 is still good. But after the reveal of Sarkata, it always looks like a monster, not a ghost, not someone who surprised us, because it became too obvious. I think they should have presented Sarkata doing something horrible with those women whom he captured. Like they could have shown us that Sarkata is actually cutting the head of all the women he is kidnapping. This would have added the more emotional depth to the story and another layer. So this way Sarkata would have looked more scary because now he is carrying a sense of mystery and unpredictability with himself, which would make him more scary, because now we know he is merciless, he is hopeless, and he will kill anyone who gets in his way. To be honest, there is no killing scene. There is absolutely no killing scene by Sarkata in Stree 2, which is kind of abnormal for me. When I went to watch a movie like Stree 2 and I know that I will see a monster or a ghost like Sarkata, so I am expecting some brutality from him, which wasn't there. You don't need to add jump scares only for making a horror movie. You can make the character itself horror. It's pretty simple. So it was actually pretty simple adding another layer in Stree 2. There were all the characters like Bhedia, your Sarkata, and everything. You just need to execute. I know that this universe has a lot of potential and I don't want it to go waste. I want it to utilize its resources, its characters at full extent. But overall, movie was good. Movie was perfect. You can watch it. It's entertaining. And that's it for today's videos. And if you like the video, you can subscribe to channel. This is my first video. Thank you.